right, boys and girls, welcome to Math for today for Friday. We are going to wrap up chapter 11 today in our Envisions math book. So we are working on lesson 11-7, and that starts on page 647. So this lesson is talking about making models, using those little pictures that we can draw to help us subtract. So it gives me a problem on the first page. It says Val picks 40 strawberries. She shares 20 of them with her brother. So how many strawberries did Val keep to herself? It says, how can modeling your thinking help you solve this problem? So here's how my brain works. I know she picked 40 strawberries. She gave 20 to her brother. So let's draw a picture of this. I'm going to say 10, 20, 30, 40. So here's 40 strawberries that she picked. She gave 10, 20 to her brother, so she doesn't have those strawberries anymore. So she is left with 10, 20. So this shows me that 40 minus 20 equals 20. Now, if I turn the page and look at page 648, at the top it says, Nate has 70 green apples and he has 30 red apples. How many more green apples does Nate have than red ones? So we need to think, okay, how can I model this? How can I use these drawings of quick pictures to help me? So let's say, all right, let's pretend this is a green marker, even though it's purple. I'm going to draw, how many did it say? 70. So we're going to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now, he had 30 red apples. I'm going to just draw those under here. 10, 20, 30. How many more green apples does he have than red apples? If he had 70 minus 30, let's see, these could match. I see 10, 20, 30, 40 more. He has 40 more green apples. So this also shows me that 70 minus 30 is 40. Now, we could also look at these two numbers, and if it works better for you to just take the bigger number and then subtract the smaller number from that to solve, you can totally do that. Our book says that we can also think in our brain, well, 7 tens minus 3 tens, I'm left with 4 tens. So I want you to think about how these tens help us solve. They help it go quicker for one, right? That way we don't have to draw 70 little boxes. Can you imagine how long it would take if I had to draw 70 little boxes and then go back through and count 30 of them and cross them out and then go back through and see that I had 40 left? That would take a long, long time. So using tens makes this go a whole lot faster. So for today, there's only 5 problems. It goes across 2 pages, page 648 and 649. It says use drawings, models, or equations to solve. So that means if you want to draw like this to solve, if you want to use your equations like this to solve, either way is fine, just as long as you come up with the right answer and make sure that you are trying your very, very best. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you all on Monday. Bye.